welcome to the Aviaries.
Hi friends, it is late on Saturday evening. It's still sunshiny outside, but it's pretty late. Just got in from doing our evening chores, got all the birds fed. I was checking nest boxes. Oh, by the way, happy 4th of July to you. I was checking nest boxes and I found something kind of upsetting and disturbing. You know, the Bible says that pride goes before a fall. I was bragging to a friend just a few days ago that because of all the ducks, the Muscovy ducks and the geese and the chickens and the emus and everything that we have, that, well, you just saw a peek of that, didn't you? That we don't have a lot of snakes here. But the truth is that we do. This is in a nest box, and it had eaten 2 green cheek conure eggs. Not just any green cheek conure eggs, but these were moon cheek green cheek conure eggs. I don't know if you can see, there's a bulge here and another bulge there. That is where the eggs are. Let's see. There you can see here and here. So, yeah, all birds are important to me. All green cheek conures are important to me. But moon cheeks are especially important because they sell for thousands and thousands of dollars. And so this is disappointing. Now, all of my cages are made with 1/2 inch by 1 inch wire. And that's important because a bigger snake could not have gotten into the cage. So what he did is he is small enough that he was able to get into the cage, not large enough to eat the adults. The adult conures, the parent conures, are perfectly fine. He made his way into the nest box. He ate the eggs, and the eggs are too large to get back through the wire, and so he could no longer fit to come back out of the cage. And so he was essentially trapped, and he was just hanging out in the nest box. This is a gray rat snake. It is related to corn snakes, distantly related to king snakes and milk snakes. It is non-venomous. It's also non-poisonous. It is harmless to humans, to dogs, cats, and larger livestock. Now, as a fully grown adult, he could eat baby rabbits or possibly even baby kittens or teeny tiny baby puppies, but that is very unlikely. The most dangerous thing about these is that they eat birds and eggs. They eat lots and lots of mice, which is beneficial to have around a farm. You know, if I only had goats, I would welcome these in my yard. But because we have the rabbits and all of the birds, we're not able to keep these in the barns, in the buildings. And so we will keep him maybe for a few days just to observe, but we'll eventually be releasing him far away from home so he can live in the woods somewhere and not be a bother to anyone else. He's only about 2 feet long. Let's see. He has not yet tried to bite me at all, although he most likely has never ever been touched by a human before today. He has, however, must, which is a fairly smelly substance that come out his backside. It's not poo, but it is a defensive mechanism. But they're very beautiful creatures. Now, we have a pet corn snake, which is, you know, it's almost identical to this as far as structure and biology. It's a different color, though. That's really the only That's the main difference. That's the main thing that you will notice is the color is different. He's beautiful to me, but I am very disappointed that I no longer have those conure eggs. I'm also kind of disappointed that the chickens and the guineas didn't eat him. As horrible as that is, I love snakes, but I would have preferred that he had just stayed away. But since he did venture onto the property, I would have preferred that the emus or the chickens or the guineas would have eaten him, other than him eating my conure eggs. I think I'm going to get the corn snake out and show you the differences. Now here's our corn snake. She is what is known as a ghost mutation because she lacks a lot of the pigments. And her name is Cotton Candy. This one belongs to Catherine. This is her baby snake. Although she's not a baby, she's about 4 feet long now. And we have to buy little frozen white mice to feed to her. Hey, Cotton Candy. Yeah, she's a pretty good snake. I would pick her up, but she just ate. I don't want her to regurgitate. I'll try to see if she wants to come out. I don't think she does. Normally when Oh, there's a cat in the background. When the snake just eats, you want to give them several days to digest their food and not try to pick them up and handle them right away, because they will regurgitate. They'll throw that food up, and we don't really want that to happen. So we're just going to leave her. But yeah, it finally happened. I finally had a snake in the nest box, and I'm pretty bummed out about it. I was hoping that I would get those baby mooncheek conures, but knowing green cheeks, they will probably reclutch and make more babies soon, and we'll just keep a better eye on everything and keep snakes away. Maybe it's time that we need to get more guineas. I don't know. You coming up to see me? There you are. Hey, sweetie. There. Look at that. Look how cute that is. You got anything to say, Daniel? Nope. Daniel's here with us. But he's not going to say anything. He calls this the danger noodle, even though she's not really dangerous. Where are you going? Huh? Here, I'm going to have to pick you up and get you back in there. There, sweetie. She's a lot bigger than the gray rat snake. But there you go, guys. Just something I want to share, the ups and the downs, just share everything with you. If you haven't already, give us a thumbs up, give us a comment. Make sure you're subscribed. God bless you. Bye-bye.